All right, we're on. Okay, Briar. Okay, again, thank you for doing this. And really, I want us to spend some time, a couple of minutes, reflecting on the progress that you've made with your students in the last term. And so, if we could just start off by outlining what e-learning tools you've used in the last term in your class.
We've used a lot of Toondoo blogs still. We're going into Dipsy timelines at the moment.
Mm-hmm.
The wikis are up and running really, really well in our classroom, and they're doing a lot of just general surfing for information and learning how to make good Google choices and things, and
Cool.
refining the searches really.
And okay, well, I'll get to that in a minute. So, so this you've integrated this into your planning, have you?
Yes.
And is that was that challenging for you to do?
Not really. It was more challenging sort of getting the children to play with it and become familiar with it rather than integrating, because it's all based around topic work and reading activities anyway.
Right. And so it's become successful.
Yes.
Yeah, but would you say it was a bit of an uphill struggle at first to get the kids? Well, we'll get into that. Okay, let's crack on. Because so, what modifications did you have to make for your classroom management?
I guess I'd always had a computer timetable where the kids had half an hour and then it was the next turn. And I sort of have still got that to a point, but it's had to change a lot in terms of a needs basis. If a reading group asks a really good question, it's, well, let's go and find out the answer now. And stuff, so the computers are a lot more flexible in that way.
And just remind me, how many have you got in your class?
22 at the moment.
No, not computers, but
children.
kids.
Computers, 2.
2. All right.
Yeah.
So you got 11 to 1 ratio, which is quite hard to manage. But you got IT suite time.
Yes,
how many?
2 times a week.
2 twice a week. Okay, cool. Okay. So what has been the impact upon student learning as a result of the activities that you've been doing?
I think that they are really motivated into everything, and they're able now to say, we can do it like this and we can do it like that, rather than, because I've shown them all now.
Yeah.
So.
But you said initially they were kind of reluctant to kind of experiment, but are they getting more confident to do that now?
They are now. Like, I mean, the Toondoo, like, for example, the first time I showed it to them, it was, oh, I can't do this and I can't do that. But now they've gone home and now they go, look what I can do.
Yeah.
And now everybody wants to be able to do that.
Yeah. And are they peer supporting each other, do you think?
Yes.
They are. Yeah, brilliant. Yeah. Right. Okay.
Mm.
So I guess this sort of kind of follows on. You know, for the skills for them to become proficient in something like Toondoo, as a literacy tool. Did it have much impact in the first instance? Did it take a while to get that up and running because they had to learn how to use Toondoo?
Yeah, it did. Yeah.
Okay.
But now they can just go on there and do it really easily. So I think it was worth taking that time.
But how much younger are your students than, say, Kelly's?
Mine are year 3, 4. Hers are 7, 8.
Yeah. So you got that confidence issue.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. But they've mastered it though.
Yeah, they have.
And that's the main thing. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you could do it again. The work you've done this term, would you approach it differently, or would you?
I don't know if I'd approach it differently so much because of the way that we've only got a few computers and it's trial and error really, or that doesn't work, let's try it this way. And I guess I'm still going down that path of finding the perfect way to do it.
Okay, cool. And so what e-learning goals have you set for the coming term?
I guess showing the children a couple more things I want to show them, or getting their confidence up in them, and then they're able to then choose what they want to do. Okay.
And so is it important then, like I asked Kelly, for the kids to do the same activity in class?
No.
No, good. All right, that's cool. All right, let's wait until and let's look again at November.